Assalamu alaikum. Let's start HVAC test number 7. First question. What is the function of a diode? To allow current to flow in one direction. What is the function of a capacitor? To store electrical energy in an electric field. What is the function of an IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor? To act as a high power electronic switch. What is the function of a transistor? To control or amplify electrical signals. What is the function of a relay? To electrically switch a circuit using a low power signal.